Hi, my name's Mark.
And I'm Fabio.
And we chose Mayflower Construction to renovate our master bathroom. We decided it was the right time to renovate because this bathroom was over 20 years old and a lot of builder grade material. It was functional, but it didn't look that great. So we said, hey, let's do it.
We changed everything pretty much. We changed the colors, we changed the vanity, the floors, the lamps, the lights, everything. It was a complete makeover.
And we kept the same floor print of everything, but just changed everything, including the shower, new tub, everything.
The previous design was completely dark. It was just not an attractive place. Taking the shower was not really an experience, and now it is. That's what I find this newly renovated bathroom fascinating. It's a completely new experience for me, so I love it.
Yeah, we called it the cave before.
Construction is not something that I'm familiar with or excited about, and they really made it. It was a complete experience for me, great experience. They explained all the new terms, the terminology, lots of choices, very friendly, very professional. It was a great experience for me.
Our construction experience was great. The team came and they protected everything. They covered all of our wood floors with more than just one layer of protection. Plus they erected a plastic wall to protect the rest of the bedroom because it's a master suite.
That was the best part for me. It's just they do create I don't know, for lack of a better term, kind of a bubble zone, and it's free of dust. They protect your apartment, your place, your house, and it was great. Super clean, super organized, and I was able to take a peek every day and see the progress. And also they gave me a little bit of an update of what was going to happen the next day, so it was exciting.
I think with every project there's going to be little hiccups here and there, but I was one of those people that called constantly ad nauseum, I think. But they were so nice, and any little question I had they were able to answer, or any concern I had they kind of held my hand through the process. So.
Yeah, the company was very respectful, and every time we had questions, the answers were provided right away. And it was a great experience. I love it.
Yeah, it's more than my expectations. It looks great.
It looks fantastic. Yes, it's a great product.